My friends, we have a masterpiece. I hope you agree. This pasta looks beautiful, smells fantastic, so it's high time to give it a try. Ciao ragazzi, io sono Marina e io amo pasta. Oggi prepariamo la pasta alla marinara. Mamma mia! Hi, this is Marina from Health Gloves, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to prepare a raw vegan pasta alla marinara. If you like pasta and if you like pasta marinara, then this video is the right video for you. The ingredients that you're gonna need for this raw vegan recipe are: you can see the ingredient list for this recipe with the exact measurements on the Health Gloves website. Just click the link below this video. All the kitchen equipment I use to prepare this recipe: blender, dehydrator, water filter, spiralizer, mortar and pestle, and so on, you can easily order at amazongloves.com. Just click the link below this video. The first step in the preparation of each dish is, of course, to wash all the ingredients. It is extremely important that the water in which we wash food is clean and free of all the harmful impurities that are typically found in tap water, such as chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, sulfates, pesticides, etc. I use a reverse osmosis water filter in my kitchen. With this reverse osmosis water filter, you can have clean water running out from your kitchen tap. Order your reverse osmosis water filter through the link below this video. This time, tomatoes. Peel the tomatoes. Chop the tomatoes into small pieces. Transfer the tomatoes into a bowl. Mash the tomatoes. Measure out 1 ounce, which is 30 grams of sunflower seeds. You can order these cute wooden spoons, kitchen scale, and mortar and pestle via the links in the description of this video. Put the sunflower seeds in the mortar. Grind the sunflower seeds in the mortar. Transfer the ground sunflower seeds into the bowl with the tomatoes. Mix sunflower seeds and tomatoes. Place the pepper in the mortar. Crush the pepper in the mortar. Put the crushed pepper into a sieve. Shake the sieve with crushed peppers above marinara. Mix all the ingredients. Peel 3 cloves of garlic. Crush the garlic in the mortar. Transfer the crushed garlic into the bowl with the marinara. Mix all the ingredients. Cut a couple of oregano leaves with herb scissors and add them to the marinara. Mix all the ingredients. Transfer the marinara sauce to a glass dish. Slice the tomato and the red bell pepper. Making raw vegan pasta marinara, I realized that it is best to have two sauces. A smooth sauce to mix into the spaghetti and a chunky sauce to add over the spaghetti. Add the tomato and bell pepper slices to the glass dish around the chunky marinara. Place the dish in the dehydrator. Dehydrate the marinara and additional ingredients at 117 Fahrenheit, that is 47 Celsius degrees, for about half an hour. Measure out 0.7 ounces, which is 20 grams of ground chia seeds. Soak the ground chia seeds in water. Then mix them and let them sit for about 15 minutes to thicken. Put 2 spoons of dried celery in the mortar. Grind the dried celery. Now it's time to make the pasta. Cut off the zucchini ends, peel the zucchinis, spiralized zucchinis. Transfer the spaghetti into a bowl. Now we are going to make the smooth tomato sauce. As we are going to use the blender, we first need to protect our precious ears with earmuffs. You can order quality earmuffs via the link below this video. Put the tomato and red bell pepper slices from the dehydrator into the blender jug. Return the dish with the chunky marinara into the dehydrator. Put the soaked ground chia seeds into the blender. Put the ground dry celery from the mortar into the blender. Blend these ingredients into a thick sauce. Pour the sauce over the spaghetti. Mix the spaghetti into the sauce. Using tongs, transfer the spaghetti with the sauce onto a plate. Take the chunky marinara out of the dehydrator and pour the chunky marinara over the spaghetti. That's right. Add more sliced oregano leaves and a couple of sliced basil leaves onto spaghetti. My friends, we have a masterpiece. I hope you agree. This pasta looks beautiful, smells fantastic, so it's high time to give it a try. This pasta tastes divine. Many more fantastic and healthy tastes you get in the Health Clothes Culinary Set. In the Raw Vegan Culinary Set, you get a total of 157
delicious and healthy, low-fat, raw vegan recipes. Soups, dressings, sauces, dips, pasta, cookies, cakes, drinks, spices. Out of that, 40 raw yet warm recipes warmed in the dehydrator, as well as 2 pre-recorded online culinary classes that you just need to follow step by step. For the whole set, you get a discount by using the coupon code TASTY and HEALTHY. Click the link below this video, take advantage of this discount, and make the transition to a diet of delicious and fresh plant-based foods that contribute to your health and vitality.
I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you're gonna gladly and often make this beautiful pasta alla marinara cruda, raw vegan pasta marinara. As a matter of fact, please let me know in the comments down below this video, would you like me to serve you this plate right now? Let me know. I would certainly be honored to have that pleasure to serve raw vegan pasta marinara to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button, because that way you're gonna see all the upcoming videos on my YouTube channel, Health Glows. In those upcoming videos on my YouTube channel, Health Glows, you're gonna get free raw vegan recipes as well as free education on a raw vegan diet, exercise, and healthy living. If all of those topics are your cup of tea, then welcome to my Health Glows YouTube channel. Until the next video, I'm sending you lots of love. And of course, my friends, keep glowing. Arrivederci! Order your Health Glows culinary set via the link below this video.